Aloha, everybody. How's it going? Thanks for tuning in to PhotoLukeHawaii. I just did my Hawaiian music requests uh, live stream earlier today, and I just wanted to let you know that some of the content was, the copy protection on it blocked the whole video. So I'm trying to mute some of those songs right now, but so you can't access it. But I wanted to show you the song list that was on there. There's the songs that I played in the order that I played it. And just so you folks know, you guys can go and support them and buy their music. You can just search for them, whatever iTunes or whatever platform that you guys use to buy music at. Also, want to let you know, I totally forgot that Mele in Hawaii is today at 4 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. You can go check it out. It is here. If you go to hakuhawaii.com, you will find it. And once you, here, let me show you on the top here. You see on the top there, it says hakuhawaii.com. You punch that in and you'll get to this website. Once you get here, you look for this top part and you can click on it. Watch Mele in Hawaii. When you get to Mele in Hawaii, scroll down. It'll show you who's going to be featured in this Mele in Hawaii. And this one is going to be hosted by Billy V, who I admire very much. And it's going to be featuring Yoza, Joseph So, and Thunderstorm Artists. I think I'm saying that right. Anyways, if you scroll down some more, you can see, you can watch them on Facebook or YouTube. You can set your reminder for YouTube, or you can RSVP on Facebook. But go check it out because they're going to have live Hawaiian music, or they're going to have live music that you can listen to and enjoy. So this is another thing, where you have Hawaiian music where you can listen to. So if you click on YouTube, you go to there, and this is actually going to happen at 4 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time, which is pretty soon. So make sure you go here, you click on the reminder that's going to be on here. Give it a thumbs up too. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to Haku Collective, subscribe to them and click that bell so you know when they're going to have another live stream. This is all free, to be able to watch Hawaiian music live. So go support Haku Collective and watch Mele in Hawaii. You can shop around also on the Haku Collective website. Here. And you can buy Kimié Miner CDs and the Hawaiian Lullaby CDs. They have all kind of merchandise for you to buy, t-shirts and houseware things, baby blankets and all kind of stuff. You also can watch videos and whatnot. So 4 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time, Mele in Hawaii. And thanks everybody for watching my previous live stream. I'm just trying that out to see how that works. So apparently, you're gonna have some copyright issues, and which may block the video. So I totally understand. But yeah. Anyways, Mele in Hawaii, 4 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. That is pretty soon. Don't forget to watch it. Aloha, gang. Ohana. See ya.